Hi students, I am your Jahir sir and welcome to the Jahir sir's math class. Today I am going to explain about the blueprint of the model paper which is given by AP government. Blueprint and everything about question paper. Okay, let us start the class. This is your first page. Here this one is the first page of your given paper there. In first page, blueprint given there. In this subject mathematics, in this mathematics paper, combination of two papers. This one, paper 1 and paper 2, both papers only. He given one paper only. Maximum marks 100 and then time 3 hours 15 minutes. Now look at the table number 1 first. What is given in the question? Table number 1. Weightage for academic standards. What are the academic standards? Let me explain academic standards. This one is 5 academic standards. This one is 1. Here is 2. This one is 3, 4 and 5. What are the academic standards here in mathematics? Conceptual understanding, problem means problem solving. This one is nothing but problem solving. Okay, this one is problem solving. Second one, reasoning and proof. Reasoning and proof type questions are there in this second Roman. Next one is third Roman. In third Roman, communication means using formulas and that connections. Formulas, this one is there. And fourth one, connections means proof type questions, theorems. This type questions comes in fourth academic standard. And last one, representation and visualization. This one is means graphs in this one. Next, constructions. Graphs and constructions given in this academic standard number 5. Okay, let us go to the first one. Now in this one, first serial number means 5 academic standards are there. First academic standard, academic standard 1 means problem solving. This one 40% questions from this academic standard problem solving means solving the problems. This one is given 40 marks. Next one is next academic standard, second academic standard 2. In this 20% marks. What is academic standard 2? Reasoning and proof type questions, 20 marks. Okay, now third one. What is third academic standard? Third academic standard, communication. Academic standard 3 is communication. 10% of questions means 10 marks for this communication academic standard. Okay, now fourth one. What is fourth one? Fourth one is, what is academic standard for? Connections. Okay, connections. 15% marks for connections means theorems like that. Okay, now fifth one, visualization and representation. Representation and visualization means construction type questions. Graphs and constructions, 15% means 15 marks for that type of questions. Total 100 question, 100 marks. 100%, 100 marks. Okay, now this one, second table given that. What is second table in this? Yes, in the second table they will give serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. In this 4 type of questions are there. What are those 4 type of questions? Let me check this one. First one, types of questions. Types of questions given here. Types of questions, marks, question numbers, total marks. Okay. Now first one, very short answer questions. Very short answer. Let me take pen. Okay. Now first one is very short answer, means 1 mark questions. How many 1 mark questions are there? 1 to 12, means 12 questions are 1 mark question. Means you should write the answer in 1 word or 1 sentence. Total 12 marks. Why? 12 into 1, 12 marks. Here very short answer, means 2 marks questions. How many? 13 to 20, means 8 questions are there. 8 questions into 2. 8 to the 16 marks. Okay. Now short answer questions. These are 4 mark questions from 21 to 28. These also 8 questions are there into 4. Each question carry 4 marks. So 8 fours 32 marks. And now ACA type question, last 4th type. This one is 8 marks question. Remember that 8 marks. 29 to 33. How many questions are there? 5 questions. 5 questions into 8 marks. Each question carry 8 marks, means total 40 marks. Remember that this one is a internal choice. This one is having internal choice. Internal choice means he given first question, means 29th question, A and B. It's your choice, A or B. In these two you can write any one question. Okay. Now let us see the question paper. This one is question paper. Let me zoom it. Okay. Now model paper given by the government. What is the model paper here? Look at this one. Model paper for SSC Public Examination 2022. In this mathematics paper 1 and 2, both combination of both papers, this one. Here look at these instructions first. What are the instructions given? Now first instruction, in the duration of 3 hours 15 minutes, 15 minutes of time is allotted to read the question paper. 15 minutes for question paper reading only. Second point, all answers shall be written in answer booklet only. Means there is no bit paper. You should write every question answer in your answer sheet. Third instruction, question paper consists of 4 sections and 33 questions. 33 questions, 4 sections. Means 4 type of questions are there. Okay. Now next one. What is next instruction? Internal choice is available in section 4 only. So 8 mark question having internal choice. Answers shall be written neatly and legibly. Means you should write answers in a neat manner. Okay. Now section 1. In section 1, what is given in section 1? Section 1, 12 questions already I told, 1 mark each question carry. So 12 1 12 marks. Now first one, note. He given note. Answer all the questions in 1 word or 1 phrase. 1 word or 1 phrase. Okay. This one is 1 word or 1 phrase. Means 1 line. Each question carry 1 mark. So 12 into 1, 12 marks are there. Let us check next to second one. second Roman. I will explain all the questions in next video. I will show all the answers there. Okay, we will solve in that next video. Now second Roman. Look at here, this one is second Roman given. Second Roman, 8 questions, each question carry 2 marks. 8 to just 16 marks. Next, note this one, note points. Answer all the questions. No choice is there in this Roman also. Each question carry 2 marks. Each question 2 marks are there. Next, third Roman. Here in third Roman, look once there in third Roman. Here, third Roman. Section 3 means third Roman. 8 into 4 equal to 32 means 4 mark questions are there. Answer all the questions and then each question carry 4 marks. Each question for 4 marks. And then next to Roman means fourth Roman. Here once you check this fourth Roman. Yes. Section 4. Five into 8. Okay. Yeah, 5 into 8. 5 questions, 8 marks. Let us check these note points. Answer all the questions. Next, each question carry 8 marks. Each question 8 marks. Each question has internal choice. This Roman only having internal choice. Okay. Now I will show one question there. How the questions are. Look once here. Yes. Here 29th question, first one. Question number 29. Here question number 29. He given if A equal to B equal to C equal to D equal to 4 sets, you should find here A minus B, A intersection B, A union B, B minus D. Or this one is A question and this one is B question. It's your choice. You can write any one of these two. Okay. This one is our model paper. I think you like it. If you like, please subscribe, share and a like. Thank you very much.